If you want to cancel your Temu free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you avoid any charges. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Temu website or open the Temu app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by your profile icon or a settings gear. Step 3. Find subscription or trial information. Look for a section related to subscriptions or trials. This may be labeled as subscriptions, membership, or free trial. Step 4. Select cancel trial. In the subscription section, you should see an option to cancel your free trial. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, check your email or account notifications for a confirmation message. This ensures that your trial has been successfully cancelled and that you will not be charged. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Temu free trial before any charges occur. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Temu's customer support for assistance.